Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Instagram music notes feature not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see that my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open your smartphone settings. So let me open, and here you need to go into the app management, and then you need to go into the app list and search for the Instagram. Okay, and here you need to search for the storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and log in into your Instagram account. So I already logged in. So then you need to click on this messenger icon in the top right, and then you need to click on this plus icon on the note, and here you can see an option to add the music. You can select any music and add as a note. So this is a process by which you can fix if Instagram music notes feature is not showing. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.